Pick any low-rated film, cause we both got time to kill, and the world moves so still. When I'm laying here with you, I hope that
So expensive is a very subjective statement. A $15,000 PPF wrap probably doesn't make sense to you, but to someone with $1 million car, it probably makes sense. You know, there's a reason that Lamborghinis aren't $100, and I'm sure they uphold the statement that it's not for everyone. We aren't in the business of pleasing everyone, and for that reason, we've built a really high quality customer base that values what we do. It's cheap in every industry. Doesn't mean it's bad, but definitely not the game we're playing.